Many of you guys know that laptops and PCs, even Mac, don't have input for video. But with CAM LINK, you can plug anything inside the HDMI port, just like this Xbox that I'm about to show you. So I'm just gonna plug this in to the HDMI port, to the USB, you open up the program, and it starts recording right away. Google, turn off lights. Got games here, lower that. Whoops. Oh, I missed it. Now I can rewind what I just did. As you can see, the game is going on. Jumped over, even go all the way to the beginning, and everything's still recording. And go to the live mode. And this is me live right here, still playing the game. I don't even need a monitor or a TV screen. I can do it all on my laptop. You're gonna want this. This is gonna be a part 2 for that. But for now, let's do the Xbox unboxing and more chattery about why I'm doing an unboxing with the Xbox. Okay, I now have an Xbox One again. I might have went 2 years without the Xbox because I went to PC gaming. Just a 1 terabyte 4K slim. Now what kind of system I have and how it comes boxed up. Okay, now it does come with the game PUBG, Players Unknown Battleground. This is actually a really heavy console. Did not expect it to weigh this much. Wow, if you really hold one of these, you're gonna be very surprised of how heavy this is. So let's see in the back of the I/O, we got the power, HDMI out, HDMI in, super speed 1, 2 USBs, Fire Blaster. This is your digital audio put, straight Ethernet. I didn't want to get the 4K one. I got a 1070 Ti graphics card for my PC gaming. I'm all about that now. But I do want to, you know, game for others, at least on one other console, rather than just PC gaming. PS4, meh. I don't hate it. I just prefer the Xbox and I don't really need too many consoles. So this was a bundle here, and this is gonna allow me to download the PlayerUnknown's Battleground. This is a hot game. Fortnite's overtaken it. Serial number to download this game. But you're gonna wanna keep this. And then we have the diagram here showing you how to connect things and their user manual. Those of you guys who have not picked up an Xbox yet, welcome to my unboxing of the Xbox One S. Now let's see the power. So we have HDMI, pretty heavy duty. Okay, I did not know that. Now the power supply, remember the big brick that the Xbox One regular came out with? Power brick outside of the system. It was ugly, it was hard to maneuver, hide the controller. Just in case you guys are wondering what's wrong with my voice, I am sick. Well, getting out of sickness, but here we go. Looks like a nice little controller, matches. It's a little bit actually wider than the console. I use the Elite controller. As you can see here, I got the Elite on the left, because when I bought this Elite controller, there was no Xboxes that I had at the time. Did not have the controllers with headphone jacks. They all basically have them now. But I got 2 controllers. Now, what I'm going to be doing is plugging this straight to my computer, and I'm going to be able to capture everything I'm recording. So right before I go on to the next part of the video, I'm just going to quickly click on the buttons. And I see a USB port right in the front, the very bottom, clean, little rubber feeding here. And the last part is the infrared sensor receiver, and then the pairing of other accessories. I like the way it looks just sitting here. Much smaller than the Xbox. But I have a CAM LINK device here, which is gonna allow me to plug this in straight to my PC and record everything rather than having to stream from the Xbox. I can record it straight to my PC, edit on my PC, or even live stream it through a broadcaster. So what this video really is about is to showcase you the games that I'm gonna be playing, which is PUBG and World War II on Xbox, on PC. So if you ever wanna catch me playing on Discord, on Xbox Live, you know where to catch me at the gamertag of ThaCooLoser. If you guys want me to play on PS4, you guys are gonna have to convince me to try to get it, and maybe we can do some kind of Sunday fun day game stream session live on YouTube. But until then, thank you for watching, and as always, if you want for yourself, find the description down below, or is it this one? I'm not sure. I love gaming. I just never record it. I might as well just try it out to see how that works. It doesn't hurt. If you don't like these type of videos, don't watch it. But of course, thank you for your support if you're a supporter. So I'm gonna release this video by itself, but there's going to be a part 2 showcasing how CAM LINK will work with any console, any camera. Use it as a webcam, your streaming device. But I already tested this camera right here, plugged in straight to my computer, which is a line in input. It allows me to use this camera as a webcam and record everything that's happening straight to my PC without ever having to worry about the SD card or a janky, ugly webcam quality. You get this kind of quality while you're recording your gaming, you're talking on Skype, Hangouts, whatever it is. Your streaming webcam can be used with this quality. Both these cameras are the same. So if you want to check out these cameras as well, there's going to be a big video release, everything in my room for my studio to produce videos, how I became, why I became. That's going to come very soon. I'm really looking forward to finishing that video. Also, the graduation of possibly doing a little bit more of a face reveal. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. I love this microphone. It's so good. Later.